So I think mindfulness is more kind of like a state of mind or a way of living that you can do throughout the day, throughout your life. So mindfulness can also really be, that was also in the last part of my presentation, just realized, is that it's also about being aware during the day. So that you are, for example, doing the things with attention, you're listening with awareness. And it's something that you can kind of, it's kind of a state of mind that you can have throughout the day. And meditation is you really take a moment out of the day to sit down and to practice. And it really helps each other, because in meditation you kind of learn how to sit a bit longer with yourself, with your feelings, with your body, to come back to practice this. And that helps because later in the day when something comes up and you're cultivating that mindfulness and you're being aware, then it really helps if you already learned a little bit on how to be with yourself.